Hi friends, today I am going to take a topic based on vision training and badminton. In this topic, I am basically giving a clear picture based on what is vision training and its importance in badminton players.
Vision training is very important in sports because it relies on how a player and his eyes normally react to anything in the field. It may be a sports equipment, other participants, spectators, etc. The eyes of an athlete should always be focused to the opponent's move. He should not be distracted by the surrounding images. Here comes the importance of visual concentration. It means his eyes should always screen out all the distractions and stay focused on the object or the target. An athlete's visual skills have a significant impact on his performance. These skills can be improved by vision training program. Eyes are the real gifts from God. Eyes are the organs of vision. These globular organs help us detect light from an object we look at and transmit them to the brain, and finally let us see the object. The impact of vision training is on the extraocular muscles of our eyes. There are 7 extraocular muscles, namely the levator palpebrae superioris, the superior rectus, the inferior oblique, the inferior rectus, the lateral rectus, the medial rectus, and the superior oblique. If vision training is given, the speed, endurance, and coordination of extraocular muscles increases, thereby the abilities of eyes gets improved, and this creates a more efficient athlete. Now let's see what are the abilities of the eyes. The abilities of the eyes are namely focusing, tracking, visualization, directionality, vergence, sequencing, and coordination. Athletes can improve all these abilities only through a systemic way of vision training along with his regular training program.
These are some of vision training exercises which help to improve the ability of badminton players. Badminton is a multidisciplinary skill. A successful player needs good physical fitness, hand-eye coordination, and visual skills. Through this vision training exercise, the visual skills of the badminton players will improve and it helps the badminton player to perform their optimum level.